The Northrop Grumman X-47B UCAV is a revolutionary step in the world of aviation, marking the transition from manned combat aircraft to autonomous carrier-based systems. Developed for the United States Navy, this unmanned combat aerial vehicle was created to test the possibility of drones operating seamlessly from aircraft carriers, performing tasks that traditionally required highly trained pilots. Its futuristic, tailless flying wing design enhances stealth performance, reducing radar cross-section and making it harder to track by enemy defenses. First taking to the skies in 2011, the X-47B demonstrated capabilities that were once thought to be impossible for unmanned aircraft. It successfully launched and landed from an aircraft carrier completely autonomously, proving that drones could integrate into complex naval operations. With a wingspan of over 62 feet and powered by a Pratt & Whitney F100 engine, the X-47B can reach speeds near Mach 0.9. It also has an impressive operational range of more than 3,200 kilometers, allowing it to perform long-range missions without human control. In addition to carrier operations, the X-47B made history with its successful autonomous aerial refueling trials, further showcasing its ability to extend mission endurance. It is capable of carrying up to 4,500 pounds of precision-guided bombs and missiles, giving it the strike potential of a modern combat aircraft while eliminating risks to pilots in high-threat environments. Though the X-47B was ultimately used as a technology demonstrator rather than entering mass production, its achievements laid the foundation for future naval UCAV programs. It remains a symbol of innovation and a glimpse into the future of unmanned aerial warfare. For enthusiasts and defense watchers, the X-47B represents a bold leap toward a new era where advanced drones may dominate the skies of tomorrow.